So they call me Crisco where I pop my shit. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Devontae Harris here, back with another video. A business vlog video. Well, I wouldn't say business vlog. This could help you potentially, if we fix it, it can help you fix your heat press if your motherboard is going out. So this is what we got going on here. Right here. So we're gonna take this, put it in that thing over there. And my brother's here.
What's happening?
My brother's here to help me do this because DJ works for a company called Crown. And I used to work for that company too, but I don't work there no more. But we ain't gonna get into that. DJ works there now, and basically it's just to help with the wiring of things. DJ says it's kind of just plug and play with these two wires right here. I tried to do it the other day by myself. I got so freaking sketched. I had so many orders backed up, so I was like, if I f up my heat press, I'm f***ing up my life. so we're gonna jump right into this. Stay tuned. We're gonna get into it. All right, guys. So he's unscrewing these type of screws that are right here. Unscrew all four of those. I got these ones. These ones are. Oh no, that is a magnet one.
This one?
Yeah, that's a magnet one. Oh. Magnet. Guys, I realize this video is gonna kind of be a little loose because the lighting is it sucks. This right here, it went out on me. So yeah, this is kind of just, it's the worst. So we're unscrewing all four of these little tiny screws on the motherboard area. I don't know what you call that part. The controller. Oh, did it fall?
Yeah.
Oh, we gonna really see if he crowned material.
I'm put this thing back together. Watch.
So if you don't know, which you don't, my brother works on forklifts for a living, okay? He doesn't just drive them, he actually fixes these if they break down. You got a forklift, holla at your boy.
Right. You need fixing.
So after all those are unscrewed,
I get these tiny black screws.
right there, okay. And there's two of them. One right there too. So make sure you get both of those out. Okay, so now that those things are unscrewed, he is taking off the casing.
Yeah, so these two screws right here we gotta take out.
Okay, so after you take that part off, there's two screws right there. Here. Can you point to them, DJ?
Yeah,
One and then two. Okay. That you gotta take off.
And then it should be detached from the motherboard.
Okay, cool. Again, guys, I know it's a little shaky, but the light is horrible. I apologize. I'm getting a new light in this tomorrow, so we just can't wait. This heat press is overdue. They sent me this motherboard about 3 weeks, almost a month ago. Okay. So this is the case, and this is, oh, this would be a good thumbnail right here. You see, it looks nice.
So the ones that we just gotta unplug is these two, that one, the earth cord.
Fucking the earth cord.
It's the earth ground cord, that's what they call it.
Oh, okay. Did you get that from the instructions or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was like, this nigga, I knew this. This is why I brought this nigga in here. Talk about the earth cord.
I'm weird. This is the earth cord right here.
Okay.
But it's the green and yellow, that's the earth cord.
Okay. So you detach those two right there at the top.
Yeah.
And then detach that green and yellow one.
Okay, then you're gonna detach the red and white one.
Okay, boom.
And then this little itty bitty one. Okay, so this is the part where it's saying with the unscrew the.
Yeah, see, don't you got it unscrewed?
So this one's already. So this one's on this side. So everything. So we just have to unscrew these two.
Those two right here with this one here and this one, correct?
Yeah, the one that looks the covers. What do you call this?
It looks like a knit or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I gotta remember which black one and the white one. Okay, so
these two guys.
So yeah, these two with these ones.
Bam, bam. Okay.
This to the power switch.
Okay.
So you just gotta.
Oh, you just gotta remember.
Yeah.
You want me to take a picture?
No, it's fine. I got it.
This nigga say he got it, bro. He probably do, because this nigga remembered directions before he was even born. DJ was MapQuest before it was invented.
Oh wait.
Oh weak.
MapQuest though. Ooh. And then taking these terminals, these wires with the terminals, you don't have to unscrew the whole screw, just a little bit enough to make it loose.
Okay.
And then it should pop right out.
Ooh, that scared me.
Yeah, like that.
Ah, okay. So these guys with the knit, make sure these are taken out, and then unscrew a little bit, and you can just.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you.
What the hell?
Please repeat what you said.
What are you talking about, Siri?
Siri's on some other one.
I know, Jesus Christ. Oh, hold those up. That'll be a good thumbnail. Which one's which?
This the old one. This is the old one. This is the new one.
Okay, so now it's just plug and play. After watching DJ do this, it seems a lot simpler than how I made it in my head. I was losing my mind.
I would do the same way if I had to do this. Pooping a lot. That's reverse. Reverse.
Okay, so he's screwing those back in.
Alright. And connect these wires back to the power switch. So we can give it power.
Power!
Best movie.
Exactly.
I don't know how you want to do this.
And that's the little tiny one right on that side.
Yeah.
So guys, what he did was plugged in that.
Green, white, and red, or black too.
Yeah, okay. That little one right there.
Alright, we're gonna plug back in the earth.
Where it needs to go. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. So now guys, we are plugging in back just the same cords we reconnected or disconnected. We're reconnecting them.
Hit a lip with a box. I think that's it. Yeah.
Dope shit. So guys, after we took the old one out, that way DJ took the other one out, put the new one back in. Hopefully this is supposed to fix the pressure of this machine.
You want to change the new one on there?
Oh yeah, we can put the new one on there. Okay, let's do that. So we're gonna take the old sticker off of here and then put the new one on right here. I don't even know what those are for.
I don't even know either.
Okay.
I think these are chips.
Go get me my chips and dip, cause you delinquent. I didn't know.
Just sit them to the side. Because I don't see it on here.
I think that's what also confused me. I was like, bro, I don't even know where these go. I can't do it.
Yeah, I don't see it on here.
If anybody knows what these are, please leave me know in the comments. Let me know. So you're just reversing the whole process and putting this part on, but this part will give you some trouble. It's a pain in the ass because you have to screw the parts in and then
Too high.
Oh, the sticker.
Yeah.
The whole damn thing. Let me get it. So if you have any Crown Techs in your local area.
Oh, wait.
Oh, man. Alright, guys. So I'm going to stop right here because we're just going to re-put the stuff back on. From there, we're going to just... yeah, we'll show the end results of if it worked or not. Okay, so now we're just putting on the sticker.
All that hard work.
Yeah.
We got the sticker off.
Yeah, we're putting on the sticker.
Okay.
And then you're good to go. Okay, guys. So what we had to do, me and DJ had to call Hotronix to get it calibrated. So each board is different. That's what the lady was saying. So you have to call in after you replace the board. You have to call in to get it calibrated unless you know how to do it. But she said every board is different, so it might be a little tricky. Now we can go to a 9, or you want to turn it to a 9? Did you? Where you think it might be? Yeah. And then if this works, just go all the way down. Boom.
Oh, 8.
Oh, 8, and that's still good because before it wasn't doing that at all. There we go. At 8, guys. So, all right. Shouts out to DJ for coming through and helping me with this.
Oh yeah, no problem, no problem.
And make sure you follow him on social media. He's got a TikTok and he's got an Instagram. I'll link those down there. And I'm gonna buy him some food because I haven't ate, and I don't know if he ate, but. I know. But alright, guys, I know that was a crazy ass video. It was you know, we were just really trying to get this done. But I do appreciate you watching. Thank you, subscribe, like, frame it, do all that stuff, and then we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.
There you go. I was like, that's not getting you. I know.